Hey everyone, it's Amy and today I'm going to be showing you how to create pink Halloween nails. So I have my friend Ashlyn in and we have her nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And I know she hasn't been on this channel for a while, but we've still been doing her nails. So make sure you're following my Instagram to see all of the nails I do. The first color we're going to use on her is Madam Glam's Tulips, which is this beautiful, kind of like a bright Barbie pink. And we're going to do 2 coats of this color on all of her nails. We are doing Halloween nails, but she wanted to make them pink. Next, we're going to take Light Elegance's Losing My Impatience. This is a pink iridescent glitter. It doesn't show up very pink in general. It's a pretty see-through glitter, just kind of gives it that light iridescent. But we wanted a slight sparkle on some of the nails, so that's why we went with this color, though we're doing pink anyway, so pink would have been fine. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on every other nail. Next, I'm going to be taking my Madam Glam gel paints in black and white. We're going to do some hand painting. So I actually hand paint on every single one of her nails. I did cleanse them all before I started the hand painting, but we are doing bats and ghosts. So obviously the bats are going to be in black, the ghosts are going to be in white. I also added some stars to kind of fill in some extra spaces. And I do flash cure here and there, just that way we're not smudging. We have a tendency to smudge, so making sure that doesn't happen since we're doing a lot of hand painting. But the ghosts and the bats are pretty simple designs, so it takes me a little while, but I'm not doing anything super intricate. That's why I was able to do all of her nails, and I just kind of did different designs on each nail. And then after they have been cured, I do go back in and I add details to the ghosts. I add in eyes and a mouth. And now we're going to top coat. I will be using my Madam Glam top coat. So here's how her nails came out. I think they are super cute and fun. They are definitely cutesy Halloween because we have that bright Barbie pink background, a couple nails with some glitter, some shimmer on them, but we got the ghost in the back. I just think this is super cute, and you don't have to do something gory or something super dark or scary to have Halloween nails. You can definitely do cutesy little Halloween nails like these. So this was a lot of fun to do. You guys will have to let me know what you thought of this design in the comments down below. This is also the last Halloween tutorial before Halloween, so let me know what you guys are sporting on your nails for Halloween. Make sure you're subscribed for holiday tutorials. Will be coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.